Good afternoon, miss. We are fine.
Fine, miss.
Okay, very good. Okay, then had your lunch?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Okay, then shall I begin the class today?
Okay, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So, before moving to the class, I'm going to ask you some simple question to refresh the previous paragraph. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, so the first question is that what was the request of Mikhaili in Greek? Shruti, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss. Mikali requested the women to give his baby brother some milk.
Very good. Mikali requested the woman to give some milk for his baby brother. So the second question is that why was Mikali happy? Dimna, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss. Mikali thought that his baby brother would get some milk.
Very good, Dimna. Mikali thought that his baby brother would get some milk from the woman. Okay. So now can you please draw a picture of a baby? As you like. Don't need to make more modification. Just draw a rough figure. Did you finish?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Ashwati, can you please show your
Yes,
picture?
miss. Yes.
Yes, very good, Ashwati. Good, nice drawing. Give her a clap. Very good. And from the other part, Justin, can you please show us your picture? Picture of baby. Very good, Justin.
Thank you, miss.
And it is very happy to see that there are many artists in the class. Very good. So now I'm going to show you a picture and what this picture is about. Can you see this picture?
It's a baby.
Yes, very good. This is a picture of a baby. Is the baby is healthy?
No. No.
The baby is not healthy. And what is the condition of the baby? Anusha, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss, the condition of the baby is very pathetic. The head is bigger than the body.
Yes, the condition of the baby is very pathetic. His head is bigger than the body, and the baby, we can see that the baby is very emaciated and his condition is not good. So this is a picture of Mikali's baby brother. And shall I explain it in detail?
Yes, miss.
Very good. So today we are going to learn the chapter Maternity written by Vivika Nakos and going to deal with the paragraph of summary 11. Okay. So shall I move to the summary of paragraph?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
The 11th paragraph, we can see that it describes the pathetic condition of the baby. When Mikali opened the cover, women started crying out of horror by seeing the dreadful state of the baby. There was nothing human about the child. The child was very thin and his head had become enormous. His thumb was swollen because of the continuous sucking of it by the baby himself. And it was very dreadful to see. Mikali was also terrified by witnessing these scenes. So, did you understand the summary?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Very good. Now, what you have to do is that take your textbook and turn to the page number 45 and read the paragraph very silently and individually. Don't forget to underline those words which are unfamiliar to you. Okay? Did you finish your reading?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
So now I am going to divide the class into 4 groups. Ashwati and her benches, first group. Dimna and her benches, second group. Hima and her benches, third group. Anusha and her benches, fourth group. What you have to do is that you have to discuss the content with your friends and also try to find out the meaning of those unfamiliar words. Okay? Do it fast.
ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും
Yes, miss.
Can you please read the words?
Enormous, shrivel, and thin.
Okay, very good. I will explain it in detail. So I'm going to present my own version of glossary. Okay. So the first word we are going to deal with is enormous. And Ashwini, can you please read the meaning of enormous?
Yes, miss. It means very large in size, quality, or extent.
Very good. So enormous means very large in size, quality, or extent. So we learned that the head of the baby had become enormous. So the second word is thin. Thin means having little or too little flesh or fat on the body. And we came to know that the body of the baby was incredibly thin. And the third word we are going to deal with is shrivel. And Justin, can you please read it?
Yes, miss. Wrinkled and contract, especially due to the loss of moisture.
Yes, very good. Wrinkle and contract, especially due to the loss of moisture. That is, the body of the baby was all shriveled up. And the next word is we are going to deal with is swell. And Hima, can you please read it?
Yes, miss. Become larger or louder in
Very good. And that is the thumb of the baby was swollen. And the last word we are going to deal with is fright. And Gopika, can you please read it?
Yes, miss. Fright means a sudden, intense feeling of fear.
Okay, very good, Gopika. So the fright means a sudden, intense feeling of fear. That is, Mikali was also frightened by witnessing these scenes. Okay, so now I am going to read the paragraph loudly for the class. So pay your attention here. Okay. The women went into the cries of horror. The child had no longer anything about it. The head had become enormous, and the body of an incredible thinness was all shriveled up. As until then, it had sucked only its thumb. It was all swollen. It was dreadful to see, and Mikali himself drew back in fright. Okay, now I'm calling Gopika to read the paragraph loudly for the entire class.
The women gave vent to various cries of horror. The child had no longer anything human about it. The head had become enormous, and the body, of an incredible thinness, was all shriveled up. As until then it had sucked only its thumb, it was all swollen. It was dreadful to see. Mikali himself drew back in fright.
Okay, very good. Excellent reading, and give her a clap too. Okay, so now I am going to ask you a very simple question to check whether you have understood the topic or not. So the first question is that, what was the condition of the baby? Anusha, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss. The head of the baby had become enormous and the body was thin. As the baby sucked only its thumb, it was swollen.
Very good, Anusha. So the answer is that the head of the baby had become enormous and the body was incredibly thin. As the baby sucked only its thumb, it was swollen. So, shall we move on to the second question? The question is that, what was the response of Mikali? Gopika, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss. Mikali drew back in fright.
Okay, very good. The answer is that Mikali drew back in fright. Okay, so now I am going to introduce the structural item verb. And Justin, can you please read it?
Yes, miss. Verb is a word used to describe an action, an occurrence, or a state of being.
Okay, very good. So the verb is a word used to describe an action, an occurrence, or a state of being. For example, play, eat, run, bring. And look at the sentence given below. I play football. In this sentence, play is the verb. So now I am giving you an activity. Let us find out examples of verb from the paragraph. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay, go. Can you please read it? The examples of words.
Yes, miss. Gave, suck, drew.
Very good, Gopika. So the examples of verb from the paragraph are gave, suck, and drew. Okay. So now I am giving you another activity, that is your discourse question, and you have to do it in group, and one of the group member need to present it for the entire class. Okay. So the question is that why did the woman give vent to cries of horror? So do it fast.
10 മിനിറ്റ് ആയുള്ളൂല്ലോ 11 മിനിറ്റ്.
Did you finish?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Adira, can you please read it?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
When Mikali opened the cover, woman started crying out of horror because there was nothing human about the child. The body was thin and the head was enormous. The thumb was swollen.
Okay, very good, Adira. Give her a virtual clap. Okay, nice. So I'm going to present my own version of answer. That is, when Mikali opened the cover where the baby was held, women started crying out of horror because there was nothing human about the child. The baby was thin and his head had become enormous. As the baby sucked only its thumb, it was swollen. So did you understand the answer of this question?
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. So, shall I recapitalize the portion?
Okay, miss.
Okay, so today we learned the summary of paragraph 11 where we came to know about the pathetic condition of our Nikali's baby brother, and we learned that the head of the baby had become enormous and the body was thin and his thumb was swollen because of the continuous sucking of it by the baby himself. And so, we also already learned about the meaning of some unfamiliar words and also discussed and introduced the structural item verb. So, before concluding the class, I'm giving you a follow-up activity, that is your homework, and you have to do it in the next class and show me that. So, the question is that write a paragraph about the nutritional needs of a baby. So, do it in the next class. I hope it is very much clear for you and you enjoyed the class and able to follow me. So, let's see in the next class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.